Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Girls Books and Bites. My name is Mohita and in today's video I will be sharing with you all the 50 books that I managed to read in 2018. So at the beginning of the year 2018 I promised myself and I set a goal of reading 50 books and I actually finished that goal, so I'm rather proud of myself. In fact, I started this YouTube channel with a plan in mind of making book related videos along with my travel and food videos, but I have sort of not been regular with that and I really hope that I find the time to be a lot more regular with my book related videos in 2019. So right now in this video I will just be giving you a list of all the books that I read in 2018 and I will be giving you the names of the books, the names of the authors and also the star rating that I gave to each book. These books are just going to be in chronological order and there is no particular reason why I am putting one book ahead of the other. Starting with the very first book that I picked up for 2018, that was The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo by Stieg Larsson and I gave this book 3.75 out of 5 stars. The next book I read was 5 Quarters of the Orange by Joanne Harris and I gave this book 4.75 out of 5 stars. The next book I read was Kafka on the Shore by Haruki Murakami and this one I gave 3 out of 5 stars. And the last book that I finished reading in the month of January was All American Girl by Meg Cabot and this one I ended up giving 3 out of 5 stars. Moving on to the month of February, I started with Escape by Manjula Padmanabhan. This again I gave 3 out of 5 stars. The next book that I picked up was Sorry to Disrupt the Peace by Patty Yumi Cottrell and this one also I gave 3 out of 5 stars. Moving on to the next book was Origin by Dan Brown. It was going all fine but the end was rather disappointing, so my rating came down to somewhere between 3.5 and 3.75 stars out of 5. The next book that I read is a classic Marathi book. It is called Shamchi Ai by Sane Guruji and I gave this 3 out of 5 stars. Entering March, I began reading The Woman in the Window by A.J. Finn and this one I gave 4.5 out of 5 stars. And then I picked the Bartimaeus series. This is a trilogy with a 4th book which is kind of a prequel to the trilogy. So this is the first book written by Jonathan Stroud in the Bartimaeus series. It's called Bartimaeus, the Amulet of Samarkand and this one I gave 4.5 out of 5 stars. Next I pick up this teeny tiny book called Ghachar Ghochar by Vivek Shanbag and this one I gave 3.5 stars. Moving on to the next book in the Bartimaeus series is Bartimaeus Golem's Eye, The Golem's Eye by Jonathan Stroud and this one I gave 5 out of 5 stars. After that I read a book called Remnants of a Separation, which was a recommended book by a friend. It's written by Aanchal Malhotra and that one I gave 4.7 stars. Moving on to The Little Prince, which was my final book for the month of March. This one I gave 3.5 stars. This is written by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. I am 100% sure that this is not the pronunciation. And with that we enter April, in which I started reading Elantris by Brandon Sanderson. This is my first book and also the last book so far that I have read from this author and this one I gave 5 out of 5 stars. After that I picked a very different book. It's called Dewey, the Small Town Library Cat Who Touched the World. It's written by Vicky Myron with Brett Witter and this one I gave 3.5 out of 5 stars. After that I picked up Anne of Green Gables by Lucy Montgomery and I gave it 4.5 stars. The next book that I picked up was the 4th book from Bartimaeus series. This one is called Bartimaeus, The Ring of Solomon and I actually accidentally picked this one up thinking that this was the 3rd book, but it really didn't matter so much because this is a prequel to the entire trilogy, so it did not have any spoilers and this one I gave 4.5 out of 5 stars. After that I moved on to reading the final book in the Bartimaeus trilogy, the main trilogy. This one's called Bartimaeus Ptolemy's Gate, again written by Jonathan Stroud. This one I gave 5 out of 5 stars. Moving on to the month of May, I picked up a book by this Indian author called Sujata Messi. This one is called A Murder on Malabar Hill and I gave this book 3.5 to 3.75 stars. The next book that I picked up is Elmet by Fiona Mosley and this one I gave 4.5 stars. After that I picked up The Hazelwood by Melissa Albert and this one I gave 3.5 stars. And with that we enter the month of June, in which I read The Sunshine Town, which was sent to me by the author for review. This is written by Manish Arora and I gave it somewhere between 2 and 2.5 stars. Next I picked up another fantasy series. This is the first book in the the Lunar Chronicle series. It's called Cinder. It's written by Marissa Meyer, and this one I gave 3.5 stars. After that, I picked up The Nightingale by Kristen Hanna, and it is easily one of the best books that I read in 2018, and this one I gave a whopping 5 out of 5 stars, no doubt there. Immediately after that, I picked up another 5 out of 5 starter, that is The Help, written by Catherine Stockett. Excellent book. After that, I also read another wonderful book. This one is actually the third book in the trilogy. I don't remember what the series is called really, but I had no idea that this was the third book. And this one is called Still Me. It's written by Jojo Moyes or Jojo Moyes, and this one I gave 4.7 stars. After that starts July, in which I picked up a fantasy series that has completely stolen my heart. This is a duology, and it is written by Leigh Bardugo. This is the first book in the duology. It's called Six of Crows. This one I gave 5 out of 5 stars. And The Crooked Kingdom is the second book in the duology. Again, need I say that I gave this 5 out of 5 stars. The next book that I completed reading was The Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern, and this kind of left me confused, but overall I think I enjoyed it quite a bit. So this one I gave 3.5 out of 5 stars. Then I picked up what I am extremely ashamed to say, the first ever Agatha Christie novel, which is called And Then There Were None, and I gave it 4.5 stars. After that, I finished reading the second book in the Lunar Chronicle series. This one's called Scarlet, again written by Marissa Meyer. This one also I gave 3.5 stars. Next, I picked up Circe, this beautiful book written by Madeline Miller, and this one I gave 5 out of 5 stars. Moving on to Nevermore by Jessica Townsend. Again, one of the best books that I managed to read in 2018. Gave 5 out of 5. The next book that I picked up was When Never Comes by Barbara Davis. I gave this one 3.5 stars. After that, I completed reading The Bear and the Nightingale by Catherine Arden. This is a great book to pick right now in the winter season. This one I gave 4 stars out of 5. After that, I read 2 books in a mystery novel by Rachel Kane. The first one is called The Still House Lake. The second one is called The Kilman's Creek, and both were 4 stars. Then I moved on to reading another Marathi book in the year. This one is called Khekda by Ratnakar Matkari, and I gave it 4 out of 5 stars. I think I forgot to mention months, but we have already entered October, and I picked up The Lowland by Jhumpa Lahiri in the month of October, and I gave this somewhere between 3.5 and 3.75. I just read 2 books in the month of October, and then in November I started with The Palace of Illusions by Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni, and this one I gave 4.5 out of 5 stars. The next book in the month of October that I picked up and finished was The Ocean at the End of the Lane by Neil Gaiman. This one I gave 4 out of 5 stars. After that, I picked up another extremely mind-blowing book, and this one was Big Little Lies by Liane Moriarty. 5 on 5. Then I picked up the classic children's book called Heidi by Johanna Spyri, and I really hope that I'm pronouncing this right, although I think I'm not. This one I gave 4.5 on 5. After that, I picked up a very different book. It's called The Heartfulness Way. It is based on meditation practice. This one is written by Kamlesh D. Patel and Joshua Pollock, and I gave this 4 on 5. Moving on to the last month of 2018, that is also the last month, that is December 2018. The first book that I picked up was Dead to Them by Smita Bhattacharya. This one was again sent to me by the author, and I gave this one 3.5 on 5 stars. Next, I picked up The Martian by Andy Weir, and this one I gave 4 stars. After that, I picked up Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. This one I gave somewhere between 4.3 and 4.5 stars. And then the last book of 2018 was the much talked about Crazy Rich Asians, and I gave that book 3 on 5. That's it. Did you count whether I did 50 or not? You better let me know that in the comments below. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up. And I know there is a small corner of the audience that is really waiting for my book related videos, and that I am extremely unfair to you guys. So I will definitely try and make this a lot more regular than what I have been doing in the last year. That's it. There is nothing more that I want to say. Ooh, follow me on Instagram though. Until next time, bye.